We engineer high tech. Hi, this is the WEH showroom where John will demonstrate the WEH TW17 Quick Connector, its varieties, and the huge benefits. The WEH TW17 is a modular series connector with 3 different actuation possibilities for testing pressure and function of components with internal threads. During production, you can test engines, cylinders, pressure valves, hoses, and other components for leak tightness and function in a range from vacuum up to 5,000 psi. Depending on the test method required, manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic, the WEH TW17 is available with a suitable actuation. WEH TW17H for manual actuation. WEH TW17V for pneumatic actuation with a valve head. WEH TW17P for fully automated actuation. The enormous advantage of this series is the elimination of tedious hand tightening and the use of sealants. Tests can be accomplished in a fraction of the usual time. Simply push the WEH connector into the thread of the test piece. The patented WEH jaw locking mechanism has a firm grip in the thread and the pressure-tight connection is established. The test medium flows through the gaps of the clamping jaws. As the speed of a test procedure depends on the flow rate, the WEH TW17 series is also available with modified jaws. They have additional holes to allow a higher flow rate. Larger sizes are already equipped with modified jaws. Smaller sizes can have them on demand. This way you can radically increase your productivity. The modular construction allows the WEH TW17 to quickly adapt to the test method required. With just a few turns of the actuation unit, you can convert the connector from manual, for instance, into a pneumatic actuator. Just change the rear part of the connector after removing the front seal ring. Another plus, the WEH TW17 series is built of high-grade material and is easy to maintain. You see, procedures are simplified, expensive testing times are drastically reduced, and the WEH TW17 Quick Connector quickly pays for itself. We certainly also have the corresponding series of connectors for external threads, the WEH TW18. Visit our website and see for yourself. We have a large variety of connectors for all kinds of applications.